What?
Wala nang ulan, wala nang baha.
Ito po yung paano, wala na biyahe. Oo. Oo. May nasa balay.
Está muy activos los perros.
God bless you.
Mm.
Mansabot kayo. Akala eh.
Kanan ni Baba.
Hindi ka rin alam eh.
Hindi ta? Sanay siya? Oo. Wow. Before we got flood, when they did that fix this one?
Yeah, 2 years.
Yeah. Yeah, we should go.
Okay.
Bernice is with us.
It's raining.
Mangaling kayo ikin pluran kamatis san sa isuklit sa nasos. Yun pinoy to will buy.
Is this enough, Tito?
Yeah. Diyan lang bin sila mo na diyan.
Sila pa na ya?
For registration. It's full of plastic. Sad. You have concert sa bathroom. Sa banyo, you have concert. Concert.
Concert tayo.
Yeah.
So, pesos. Adi, 30 pula piraso. Ibay 30. Payas.
Baru pera na on the factory.
Dos.
3 pesos each?
Yeah. 1 piece is 3 pesos.
3 pesos. 1 piece?
Yeah. Ha? Sige, oy. Di mo mana dia dalam teman na.
Kinla. Di mo sila mesti kami.
Ya.
Ko ilog, ilog.
Ah.
Mabak lang. Nararal lang to.
Unti
Ako yan kit, malibong ako sigat ang island lupo.
What's that? I want to see.
We're looking for big plastic for your maleta. Tara, wala.
It's so cool dito.
Everyone is looking at you.
Yes.
Normal. Grabe. Gapo.
Kalau ko atrap lang ako, bray. Ha? Kalau ko atrap ako. Hindi aja arap ay, kalau ko arap ay.
Can I eat now?
Taste it, yeah.
Okay. Keep it. Rambutan.
There's no mangoes.
Hawakan mo.
Pero yung damit,
So we have again kanin for lunch, bulalo, this is meat, cow meat, very typical, says Tita, and Batangas. This is peanut gulay, which means mixed vegetables.
No, this is pigar-pigar beef and cabbage.
Pigar.
Yes.
So this is not the very typical of the Pangasinan.
It's typical here in Pangasinan.
Okay.
This is garlic rice.
Okay. Aproveche. Yum.
Saan may sasakay, Daddy? Singhon?
Yum, yum. We're saying goodbye.
goodbye.
Oh. Ay.
I know. Nahulog na. Sige.
It's okay?
Okay. Give it to that.
Well, in the trash.
Kasi anak na kanina.
Ay, we are
I'm going to put this one.
Miriam. Don't cry.
No cry, no? I don't want to cry, please. No. Would you cry? I don't want to cry. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Hey, Lola. You wanna be fine. That's all.
Your Lola laughing at you. Your granny pala. Looking at your budot.
Hindi pa ako marinig. Ito sa...
Huwag ka nani kumain.
El tricycle va a volar con esas maletas.
You say goodbye to Miriam. They're leaving.
Hi, goodbye. See you again.
Bye. See you soon.
Ay, ingat kayo, Carmela. Ha? Ingat ha.
Take care of Carmela.
Yes.
There at
Saka
Batangas.
dun sa akin ha.
It's gonna be funny there.
Yeah, kung may masamang nangyari, babalik ako. Running.
Mag-message lang kayo sa amin. Message.
Saka dito ha.
Hmm?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ingat. God. English, Daddy, tada na talusan.
Okay.
ko.
English, yan ang Teres.
Take care of yourself. There.
Sige, kaya mo yan. Supportanta ka.
Wherever you go, whatever you do.
Oh. Whatever you do, I love you.
He is buying goat. Daddy, pakita mo yung goat. He is buying goat.
Cabra.
Kambing.
Cabra, yeah. Kambing.
Hindi latanda lang.
I'm buying note.
For you to have the goat there.
Carmela,
For lechon, goat.
when Carmela visit my house, I
Next time.
will kill goat.
Hindi ako kumakain ng kambing. Masarap. Lechon.
Gusto niya
Bye,
fish.
Daddy. Bye, Daddy.
A lot of fish. Already sold.
Where's
Sold
my
out.
shoes? There. The Stradivarius.
Gusto na nila may sandals.
Don't cry, ha?
No?
Ay, wipes. Yeah, sa'yo na lang yung pwede. Oo. Diyos, tignan mo yung alaga ko. Oh my God. Ang daming kalat.
Hindi, ¿me pones esto para allá?
No, go.
I'm going now. You don't come? No.
Take care of Carmela. There,
Whatever you do, I love you. Message kita. Ano pala? Where's my phone? Ay, yeah.
Sakay na. Ay,
See my message to you.
Here is also my profile.
Okay, mag-message ako sa'yo. Hi. Ayan na. See you, Miriam.
Ok. La Zoe está haciendo un festival con esto. Con el postre. Ha puesto todo. Ya no tiene hambre.
No, Jesus.
Ano? This is your pasalubong to
Pasalubong.
Paula, Ninang Cora, and to Ate Sayla. That is tinapa.
Pero nagdala ka na ng ano sinasabi ni mother mo? Para kay.
Okay. Okay. Sige na.
Ven, abrazo.
Bawal na po ako lang na. Okay, good. Uy! Parang ayaw pag umalis eh.
How about your sleeper? You will live here?
I'm
Are you going to
now,
where?
yes. Hmm.
Okay.
Bye, baby.
Oy, kahit na. Amya sa mo sa pigil trip ay. Muringi.
Panyulabat!
Bye-bye, Zoe.
Come back here, ah.
Yeah, Tito. You coming?
No.
No?
Dia, tani ka pistola.
Go now.
Babay ko.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for
Yeah.
everything, Tito.
Come back here, ah. Don't cry. Kiss mo na si tita. Ah.
Pagod na yan.
I miss you too.
Keep uploading on your vlog. You're gonna watch.
Say goodbye to Grandma.
Oh! Don't cry! You'll be coming back. You'll be coming back.
December, maybe.
Yeah. December? Okay, I'll see.
Oh no.
Take care,
For
okay?
everything.
Yeah, I didn't do anything. Just
Good. When we start to
Yeah.
the shopping center.
Okay. Okay. Again, huh? Ayaw nga. I forgot that this is the Philippines and I taste like Spain and the boats. Regards to your mom, are you coming back?
Here in Spain?
Ano? Here, in Subo?
2 years, maybe 3
No, now.
Now?
Yeah. Again? No more.
Something bad happens in Batangas. Of course, I come here.
I do not hope so, but it happens. That way come back here.
Vámonos, amigos!
Amigas.
Wala kang tali, sana tinali mo, Bert.
Bye. Bye. Ingat.
We're leaving.
Go now! The rain is coming. Oh my God.
Ingat ka.
Apram! Ito ba?
Oh. Stop! I'm saying 2 more months here. Yo, ingat, okay?
Ingat kayo ha. Balik ka. Nakamba ka.
Yes, I'm coming back. Hindi sila pala. Bye bye. Bye, Annalyn.
magano.
Dentro de 50 años vuelve a Pangasinan. Bus moderno según la nene, le gusta porque huele a fresa. Bueno,
Tiene que ir para
fresa.
cargar.
Tito. Me voy a marear editando. Sus episodio watching, que era One Punch,
No. Slam dunk.
Slam Dunk, para dejarme editar. Bueno, después eventualmente me lo acabará pidiendo.
Sí, o te quedarás dormida y lo pediré.
Exacto. Yo también estoy muy cansada.